Hi, welcome to the eMapshop Adobe Reader demo. It's important to have a good understanding of the way Adobe Reader works, and we did this demo because you're probably used to using Adobe Reader as a simple way of displaying PDFs. Well, the truth is it does a whole lot more if you know how to wake it up, and that's exactly what we've done here in the eMapshop. So we've found it's a dependable platform for you to display maps and mark them up on a day-by-day basis. So we're going to show you how to open up layers within Adobe Reader so you can show your students different map layers and convert a map from political to physical and add information to it. We'll be going over some of the tools that you can use to manipulate the maps, to mark them up, and we're going to show you how to make those tools readily available for you. For example, some of the tools you're going to want on your toolbar is the Fit to Width tool, the Fit to Screen tool, the Marquee Zoom, the typewriter that lets you put text on the map, the highlighter that will let you highlight text that's already on the map for your students, and the arrow so that you can focus your students' attention on a particular area of a map. So let's get started. I've got here one of the maps that comes in most packages, and it's also on the sample. It's our interactive PDF for Europe. So let's open the layer window, which you do with this icon right here, the double diamonds. So you can see it toggles back and forth as you click on it. And let's go ahead and turn off the rivers and their associated labels. And we can turn on the political fill, which you can expose by turning off this layer and the continent outline layer. Now you can see multicolored countries, and all you have to do to add the labels to them is go up here to the label section and put the country labels on it. So that's just a little basic stuff inside the eMapshop of how you deal with layers. But more importantly, you're going to need tools up here to manipulate the map. Let's minimize the layer window so that we can maximize the map on the screen. And the difference between these two tools is this will fit it just to width, and this will fit the map to the entire screen. So you see you get 100% of the map on the screen when you use this tool. This is important when a map might be portrait or landscape. To add toolbars to the map, you're going to want to click on Tools and then click on Customize Toolbars. And each one of these is a different toolbar that will appear at the top of your screen. The beauty of it is you don't have to have them all checked. You'll notice that the Marquee Zoom tool is checked. This lets you center on an area and zoom in on it. That's why this tool is up here, because this is checked right here. But let's add a couple more tools to the screen. Especially important might be things like the arrow tool, so that you can draw an arrow on things. And you're going to want the highlighter tool. That's an important thing to let you highlight certain text on the screen. And that's right here. And let's see, you probably want the typewriter tool, so let's go to the typewriter area. The typewriter is Adobe's way of telling you that you can actually put text on the screen. So don't let the typewriter jargon fool you. All it is a way of putting text on the screen. Now when we hit OK, you'll see they're all there on the top of the screen. So if you want to highlight Norway, you can do that. It doesn't show as well because it's already green and it highlights it in yellow. Let's highlight the Faroe Islands, and now you'll see those turn yellow. Let's say we want to put some text on the screen. Click on the typewriter, and now anywhere you click, you can actually type right on the screen. This allows you to actually mark the maps up so that you can really make them specific for a particular lesson plan. And then of course you can do a file, save as, and call it something else so that it relates to your lesson plan. So these are just a few simple tools that you can add in a way to let you mark up maps. Thanks for listening, and I hope you're enjoying the eMapshop. If you have trouble, get in touch with us at support@emapshop.com. Thanks a lot.